Let me show you one of the easiest ways to automate your DMs on TikTok. Whether you have a big social media following or small, you can pretty much automate everything with this particular tool. Now, this tool is called Go High Level, and you can click the first link in the description. If you want to test this out for yourself, we have a 30-day free trial, and you can follow along this tutorial video. Now, first of all, Go High Level has two different views. You have agency view and you have a sub account. If you go to an agency view, and if this is your first time using Go High Level, you want to go to your sub accounts and you want to create a sub account for yourself. After you create a sub account, you can just go here and switch to that sub account, okay? Now, once you do this, once you create a sub account, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to settings and you want to go to integrations here. Now, in the integrations, you want to add the TikTok messaging here. So click on connect. I have manage here, but you will have connect. Make sure to add your account in here. I have my account in here. You can always unlink the account if you want by clicking this. Now I have this linked. You can also add TikTok lead ads for those of you that are in the marketing, but this is not really the topic of today's video. So let's go back here and you want to go to automations. Now, in the automation, you want to create a workflow and start from scratch. And don't worry, you don't have to know how to actually set this up. It's fairly simple. You add the trigger. The trigger is what's going to be triggering the automation. So the trigger in this case is going to be customer replied on TikTok, okay? So customer replied, we can change this to TikTok DM. As you can see, it's already changed here. And we add the filter, and you want to go here and type in channel. Reply channel is going to be TikTok. So in here, we type in TikTok. So anytime someone messages you on TikTok right here, this will be a trigger, okay? So you save the trigger here. And as you can see here, you also have TikTok Interactive Messenger. So in this case, you can say something like, hey, and then here, you can say, hey, for example, first name, hey, John, thanks for contacting me. You know, whatever, right? You can add whatever you want. Hit save action, and this is pretty much it, right? So you have trigger, TikTok DM. So anytime someone replies to you, your TikTok DM or messages you on TikTok DM, you will have a TikTok Interactive Messenger right here. Now, you can obviously add multiple different other steps here that you want. Just make sure you publish this and make sure you name this TikTok DM automation, and then we hit save, okay? Now, anytime someone DMs us on TikTok, they will get this right here, okay? Now, what you can also do is you can also add here a chat GPT powered by OpenAI, and ChatGPT can actually go in here and based on the prompt, create a specific prompt for your specific DM. Let's say someone DM'd you about specific thing, right? You can go in here and you can, you know, with the prompt, you can build a prompt that will reply, and then you can then send it to a TikTok Interactive Messenger. So that's something that you can also do. Now, obviously, this is just a part, you know, that it's very simple to set up. However, if you want to know more about Go High Level and how you can automate more things, we have tutorials on the channel. So make sure to check that out as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You have a 30-day free trial link below in the description for those of you who want to test this out for themselves. So hopefully you guys have a good rest of the day, and we'll see you in the next video.